That's catnip? You want some catnip too? Oh, instantly. Do you want some?
This is my catnip.
Do you want some Lex? You want some too? Yep, maybe she's done. Rex is like, what are you two fighting over? In this corner, Joe Louis. In this corner, the Great White Hope. Joe Louis comes out fighting. Great White Hope steps back. Oh, go into the corner. Needs a refreshment. Are we done? Rock! She answered. Okay, I think they're done. You want some more? You done? Kit eats hers.